एक्वेरियंस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम आपके लिए जून 2024 की रीडिंग्स लेकर आए हैं और देखते हैं आपके लिए क्या एनर्जीज इनवाइट कर रही है, आप क्या एनर्जीज इनवाइट कर रहे हैं यूनिवर्स से और क्या आपके लिए मैसेजेस है इस मंथ में। ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करते हैं और आगे बढ़ते हैं। आपका जो पहला कार्ड है दैट इज अ कार्ड ऑफ द लविंग वुमेन। So a woman who's like so there's a female character, female who's actually is a part of your life, looks like, or maybe you look like very very happy person in this month. So आपकी happiness explore करते हैं और देखते हैं कि क्या reasons है happiness के। पहला जो कार्ड है आपके लिए that is a devil card, not a very amazing card I would say. Then you have the justice card. Okay, I'm very keen on the second week now. You have the ace of swords. You have the prince of wands. You have the eight of wands. You have the world card. I can't show you this. You have six of swords. I'm sorry, that was eight of swords actually. Queen of swords. Okay. Very very interesting placement of cards here. Aquarians आपके लिए सबसे पहली चीज़ तो मुझे लगता है कि you yourself feel like you're very happy and then you are the happiest person here and then you're enjoying your life a lot. But somehow I feel that there's some kind of a negative energy which is influencing your happiness. So I really see that are you unhappy about a female energy's happiness right now, Aquarius? मुझे ऐसा लगता है this energy is not you actually. There's some woman, someone, a female character in your life who looks like happy, and somehow her happiness is something which is an area of concern for you. Because I see the devil here, I see the justice card here. You feel like that this is not fair, and the person's happiness is not fair because maybe you have done more in life and what you are doing is better in life, but then the other person is more happy than you. Why? There's a lot of ego happening here in the cards. You've taken things on your ego, that's very much there, and somehow you have become that negative character who is unhappy with someone else's happiness. What are you doing, Aquarians? It took me some time to connect the dots, but I think I now have connected them very well. Second week is about cut yourself from the energies, feelings, values, principles, emotions which are not serving you well. Being jealous of someone else's life, being jealous of someone else's happiness, and then being jealous of someone else's life choices is something which is not right. It's very important that you take a pause, step back, evaluate yourself, and then please cut down yourself from all those feelings and emotions which you are actually pampering right now in your life. So that's not right. My advice to you will be self-evaluation time. Please do that. Okay. Second week has a card of Prince of Wands as well. This prince is actually is one of the fastest one, and then is ruled by fire element. You want to move, you're moving so fast in life, or maybe you want to move so fast in life that you are ignoring that people जिनके साथ आप एसोसिएटेड हैं, जो लोग आपके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, आप उनको हर्ट कर रहे हो इस प्रोसेस में. मे बी यू आर बीइंग टू ब्लंट इन योर कम्युनिकेशन राइट नाउ. जो लोगों को हर्ट कर रहा है ये आपको मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. अगेन टेक अ स्टेप बैक, इवैल्यूएट योर इमोशंस हियर एक्वेरियंस, बिकॉज चीज़ें बहुत पॉजिटिव यहाँ नज़र नहीं आती हैं. थर्ड वीक की अगर हम बात करें तो यू विल आफ्टर ऑल दिस हैपनिंग, ये सब कुछ जो चल रहा है अभी आपके दिमाग में चल रहा है, एंड देन यू हैव टू यू रियली नीड अ what the that analyzation part. You will have to do it for yourself. In the third week you will feel like you're surrounded with problems. Problems आपके लाइफ में क्यों है, बस आप ही के लाइफ में क्यों आ रही हैं. When the things will improve for you. और आपको लाइफ में थोड़ा डिससेटिस्फैक्शन महसूस होगा कि चीज़ें आप सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हो. इवन तो आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ होंगी जो दूसरे लोगों से बेटर होंगी, लेकिन फिर भी दैट सेंस ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन इज मिसिंग हियर. लास्ट वीक की अगर हम बात करें तो यहाँ पे, और एक और जो की मैसेज है आपके कार्ड के अंदर, सोर्ड्स के बहुत सारे कार्ड्स हैं. सोर्ड्स देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कोल्ड एनर्जीज हियर. There is something which is full of, negativity here. Some toxic energies are also ruling you right now, so you may be thinking a lot of negative, you getting some negative thoughts also in this month, a lot of them. Not really about yourself, but then about people around you, that they're thankless, or it can be anything, anything, but then you're just evaluating people a lot. Fourth week is about Queen of Swords, and the position she's sitting in now, there's going to be some kind of a quarrel happening, some kind of a conflict happening, and then your ego will be so high that you may actually hurt someone. You'll act like very cold in this month. This is pretty much visible here, and you will find people making distance and distancing themselves from you because they don't want to be around you, because you are you are not a person who's actually a very amicable person, amicable personality, positive personality right now. You will see people distancing themselves from you because there is something which is going on here. And I will again say that earlier maybe you used to be this person, but then now you don't like people who are this person, or who this person is, who match with your previous personality, Aquarius. um, I somehow feel I should pull some more cards for you. So let me just pull a few more cards and clarify it. कुछ और cards को use करते हैं, कुछ और cards इस्तेमाल करते हैं आपकी reading के लिए. I see this card coming, this one. I will pull two more cards. Ouch. I'm so sorry, but then the devil has again appeared in your reading. What should I say? It's again coming. I can't really do much about it. I have one more card here. I've taken it, and then let's clarify. You have the Star card. You have आपको पास्ट भी अपने पास चाहिए, आपको फ्यूचर भी अपने पास चाहिए, आप प्रेजेंट भी होल्ड करना चाहते हो, पास्ट को भी अपने हाथ में होल्ड करना चाहते हो. तो आपकी ख्वाहिशें थोड़ी सी अनरियलिस्टिक हैं, एक्वेरियंस. उनको थोड़ा सेटल करिए. एक और कार्ड है आपके पास, 6 ऑफ सोर्ड्स का. दो कार्ड है 6 ऑफ सोर्ड्स के. तो यू आर सीइंग दैट योर पीपल हु आर क्लोजर टू यू आर एक्चुअली डिस्टेंसिंग themselves from you. One more thing which is coming here is that Queen of Cups का कार्ड है. Emotions will be a little. This is the Betrothed Tarot. You need to distance yourself from people for some time yourself. Before they do it, you please do it, because you need a lot of cleansing work right now by Aquarians. Please focus on yourself, focus on your energies right now. Meditate, go for some spiritual get involved into some spiritual work which will help you cleanse your thoughts, your personality. That's much required right now for you, Aquarians. Please take care. God bless. You will see you next month.